Work, pain, and struggle. She wrote goodbye to the dust on the hood. Found the map of Missouri, lipstick on the glass. They must have left in the middle of the night. And I want to know the same thing. Everyone wants to know, how's it gone to him? Behind a smoke-colored curtain, the girl disappeared. They found out that the ring was a fake. A tree born crooked will never grow straight. She sunk like a hammer into the lake. Long lost letter and an old leaky boat. Promises I never meant to keep. Want to know the same thing. I want to know, how's it gone to him? Morn leaned over, the vulture dried their wings. The moon climbed up an empty sky. The sun sank down behind a tree on the hill. There's a killer and he's coming to ride. But maybe he's the father that lost the girl. It's hard to tell in this light. And I want to know the same thing. Everyone wants to know, how's it gone to him? Tied your wagon and plow the bones of the dead. Out among the roses and the weeds. You can never go back, and the answer is no. And wishing for it only makes it bleed. Joe Bennett was broken on the wheel. Sheen and Mahoney on the lamp. Green was his gold, and Sheila's hair. All the way from Liverpool with all we could steal. He was robbed of $20, his body found stripped, cast into the harbor there and drowned. And I want to know the same thing. We all want to know, how's it gone to him? Sirens are snaking their way up the hill. It's last call somewhere in the world. The reptiles blend in with the color of the street. Life is sweet at the edge of a razor.